Is decentralization or centralization? What is the future of crypto? Let's figure it out. My name is Brian. This is Rolling in Crypto. If you appreciate that we're coming to you every day with the best crypto news and opinion, please like this video, please subscribe, and let's get into it. So a recent headline, looks rare team cashes out 30 million and wrapped ETH faces community backlash. The price of the native token looks stumbled by 15% after the news of the cash out became public. This, I think, is going to keep going forward. There's going to be a lot of talk between decentralization and centralization and understanding how much do the developers, how much do the insiders own of each of the different cryptocurrencies and the potential ones you might own. Looks rare, a non-fungible token NFT marketplace touted to be the OpenSea killer. The marketplace confirmed that the core team has cashed out 10,500 wrapped ETH, estimated worth 30 million from the unattributed staked native token Looks. I think this is going to be a big problem going forward, not just for the people in Looks Rare, but all sorts of the different tokens, is that there's often have high insider ownership. And once those people cash out, the price just drops, and all the people that bought into it, all the people they were selling it to, are left holding the bag and holding the chair. I don't know if you guys remember Donkey Finance and the problems that arose between the YouTube influencers that pushed that onto all their subscribers and then sold out at the top, as all of the people that they promoted it to were left holding the bag. It happened like 6 months ago, this last summer, but still people haven't forgotten, as even just the latest tweet, ran the man who bought out the centralized cartel, using your influence to drop the market for your own gain. I think this is another reason here at Rolling in Crypto, our goal is just to give honest information for you to do your own research. You make the best decision for yourself. We're not profiting for the different tokens that we're communicating about. We just want to give you the best chance to make money in crypto. It seems like everywhere you look, decentralization is just a big topic. As with Sundaeswap, the DEX that just got launched onto Cardano, recent decentralization has been a hot topic in the Cardano community. As the Sundaeswap ISO comes to an end tomorrow, we want to take some time to reflect on it and propose an effort toward decentralizing called the reverse ICO. I've done earlier videos on ISOs and how they work on Cardano and how you can earn tokens before they launch. So please check that out if you want more information on how they work. What happened with Sundaeswap's ISO, that all the tokens, all the pools that were able to be used were already high net worth ones. So there was completely centralized as to where all the money went. And now after all the backlash, they're trying to go back and allow smaller pool operators to take the rewards of the Sundaeswap ISPO. So I have a bunch of buddies that want me to get into the strong token. And they got me thinking, based on all the kind of information that we've just had recently, well, how centralized are they? How decentralized are they? And do I have to worry about insiders dumping the tokens on me later? This personally is not anything about the strong token, whether or not I believe in it or not, but it just goes to show, once someone recommends something to you, you got to do your own research and start figuring these things out for yourself, and then determining for yourself what type of risk tolerance do you have and are you willing to accept. You start seeing some of the APIs for the strong token and you're like, ooh, mining these or staking these seems pretty good. Whether or not it's 42%, 66%, 81%. So what's the catch? What am I risking to get those APYs, and is it worth it? So this really isn't about the strong token, more just of like, when someone says do your own research, this is one of the things you got to go look at. This is from their white paper that you can see 37.54% and 198,000 strong tokens are owned by insiders. So almost 40% are already owned by the developers and the insiders of the strong token. So that's pretty centralized. Now, when's their vesting schedule? Do you have to worry about them dumping on that? Is that a risk for you? Because right now you have the potential to make a lot of money in the strong token, but at what risk? One of the things that's always interesting to me about when you talk about cryptocurrency is where you buy, kind of the buy low, sell high, matters. This is a chart for the last year for the strong token. If you're one of the insiders and got it way down here at $73, doing pretty good. If you're one of the investors that bought all the way up at the top, up here at almost $1,200, and now we're all the way down at 386, that's a tough pill to swallow. So keep in mind also with these lower cap altcoins, they can have really big movements. They can make you a ton of money, but when they crash hard and they have big swings. If you watch this channel at any time, you know I'm a big proponent of Web 3.0. I think this is exactly the conversation of decentralization to centralization. Is right now when you go on the web, Google, Facebook, they're making money off your data. And Web 3.0 is to give it back to you. With ANKR, we're all about decentralization. This is a public geo-distributed and decentralized IO RSPC compromise of many independent blockchain nodes running worldwide. IOTEX is building the connected world. Join our journey to power billions of devices in centralized applications across the physical and digital world. One thing that's going to be really interesting to me is that with Web 3.0, is it going to work? Is centralization going to work and be profitable for the average consumer? I'm pretty interested in that going forward. If you're interested in decentralization and that's important to you, you think Web 3.0 is something that's going to be really good for you, then ANKR is another thing to check out. Do your own research. The multi-chain foundation for the crypto economy. ANKR is the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi to make developing and earning easy. Your next step into crypto starts here. I personally just want everyone to make money in cryptocurrency. I really want people to do their own research and get honest information. And to be honest, since most of us aren't insiders into all these different tokens, I think the real key is some type of decentralization so that we can bring cryptocurrency back to the people and away from all the big business that have taken it for so long. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that all your bags increase today, and enjoy.